Hey guys, this is Lego Freak 518 signing in, and today I'll be showing you the second part of the Lego Technic 4x4 fully independent suspension, return to center, 2 motor, 1 receiver, 1 battery box, 1 IR remote car. I was supposed to show the middle chassis piece, but I forgot to do it, so I just did the whole thing. Took me about another hour to figure out how to do the chassis, and then another hour to get it all together. And I think it runs pretty good. It has a lot of power, even with that little large motor geared down. As I said, it has suspension, so yeah. Take it off the rod or the tires. The front kind of needs 2 shocks. I might do that. Return to center steering. It's not very far, but the only problem I face is when it's on when it's on like a bed or something scratchy or rough like a carpet, it doesn't turn all the way. It's like But if it's on something like a hard, flat surface, it'll turn good. This thing can easily crawl 2 tires, easily. It could easily crawl 2, probably. Yeah, right over. It's called how much weight this thing has. I'm guessing this thing weighs a good 5 pounds. Yeah, maybe even more. It's pretty good weight. It's the biggest car I've ever made, so it's pretty heavy. It's heavier than the customized pickup truck. Definitely. But the only problem I have is that this is so far forward that it can't crawl up a wall or anything like that. But other than that, that's like the only problem I have. It's a great car. Works just fine. I mean, it'll wiggle, but that's okay. Because when it's driving and the front is driving, it's actually pulling it in, which makes it so it's like. Oh, the only problem I have on this one is that, or it's not really a problem. I can fix it right now. I did it to the back, but now I gotta do it to the front. Let me get 2 pieces real fast. That fell out. Differential. In the back it can't fall out because I put a little spacer in there. It's only allowed to wiggle about that much. Like 1/4 of this. But what we do to fix this is we push this little axle here, pull it out. Here, I can use this. There we go. And then we pull these off. Turn that like that. Pull this out by pulling these off. Put a little spacer in here. And then put this back in. Ow. I can't get it in. Like that. So it's only able to move like a fourth of a stud, which is all it really needs. It doesn't need a whole stud and a half. Now we do it to the other side. Put it like that, and then this goes in, connects to that high beam, and the A-arm is attached like that, and then these go into this little piece, which is then connected to the other piece. And what I'm thinking, guys, is I'm thinking about taking the front piece off because thinking about taking it off and just trying to make a rubber band design. Because if I took that off, I could just make this cut in half and then it could crawl up walls and stuff. And that just stabilizes it, makes it stronger, even though it still wiggles a lot, like all the way over. It's not even turning. That's how much it kinda stinks. Other than that, I love this car. It has just all the power you need. Just because I just bought new batteries, spent my $10 on a 10-pack of Duracell lock batteries. The reason I wanted Duracell is because Duracell batteries are really heavy. Instead of like dollar store batteries or alkaline batteries, they're not very heavy. I like heavy batteries. That's why this thing can crawl up. I bet this thing could crawl up a wall if it crawl up a wall no matter what. Here, let's see if it can crawl up this. Wrong way. That's because there's just so much weight in the front. But if it could, it would. Those are dogs. Ooh. But that's the car, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Please comment on how I can make this car better. But other than that, like, subscribe, and I'm just gonna let you look at it. Thanks for watching, guys.